Hi, I'm Rich Harvey, CEO and founder of Propertybuyer. How close is the property market to peaking? During April, we saw another month of boom conditions, with new record median house prices being set in most capital cities. I believe the market is now approaching the peak rate of growth. The key message is that while we are approaching the peak rate of price rises, housing values are not going to suddenly drop. We're likely to see the property market continue to grow steadily, but at a more sustainable rate of capital growth. The national property clock, that's updated by valuers Heron Todd White, show that virtually every major capital city and regional centre across Australia is positioned at 9 o'clock, which means it's a rising market. I've identified 5 key signals that show we are approaching the peak. Firstly, buyer fatigue. Buyers are getting really frustrated at missing out at auction and becoming wounded bulls at the next auction. Price guides are severely underquoted and leave buyers throwing their hands up in despair. At some point soon, the wounded bull buyers will be out of the market and we'll start to see some high-intensity bidding and heat come out of the market. Secondly, increased listings. We're starting to see a greater volume of listings coming onto the market. Vendors are being more motivated to list as they see stronger auction results. However, total advertised stock levels and new listings still remains low and at 17.5% below the long-term average. Thirdly, auction clearance rates. Auction clearance rates have edged marginally lower over the past 4 weeks, from a high of 83% in March down to 78.6% in April. Fourthly, building approvals are rising. During the pandemic year, building approvals dropped dramatically. Now approvals for new dwelling construction are now at record highs, and dwelling commitments over the December quarter were almost 20% higher than the year earlier and 5% above the decade average. And finally, price rises are slowing. The rate of house price increases has been dramatic over the first part of the year. Sydney house prices jumped $100,000 over the past 3 months to hit a new median house price of $1.3 million, while Melbourne jumped $45,000 to become a median of $974,000, and Brisbane's median is now $632,000. Despite the unique challenges of a boom market for both buyers and sellers, there's still plenty of opportunities to participate well and buy in this market. Downsizers can obtain a higher price for their home using their built-up equity to improve their living situation. Investors can take advantage of a rapidly rising market to obtain immediate capital gains. And upgraders should consider making a move earlier in the year than later, before the suburbs get out of reach. Whatever your situation, we can help you get on the property ladder. Please reach out and give us a call today. We'd love to help. I'm Rich Harvey. Thanks for watching.